Have you ever wondered why some people instantly attract others without even trying? What makes them so magnetic and likable? Is it just their looks, or is there something deeper at play? The truth is, attraction is more about psychology than appearance. Today, we'll break down powerful psychological principles that can make anyone drawn to you, whether in relationships, friendships, or social interactions. So, if you want to be more attractive, stay till the end. Attraction isn't random. When we connect with someone, our brain releases dopamine and oxytocin, chemicals that create excitement and trust. Knowing how to trigger these responses can make you instantly likable. Have you ever noticed that close friends or couples often act alike? This is called mirroring, and it's one of the most powerful psychological tricks for attraction. When you subtly copy someone's body language, speech tone, or facial expressions, their subconscious mind sees you as similar, which builds trust and connection. But here's the key: it should be subtle and natural. If done too obviously, it can seem weird. Try it the next time you're in a conversation and watch how people respond differently to you. If you want to make someone feel instantly connected to you, eye contact is your secret weapon. Studies show that maintaining eye contact for just 3 to 5 seconds can create a powerful bond. But here's the trick. Instead of staring, use the triangle method. Look at one eye, then the other, then briefly at their lips. This makes your gaze feel natural and engaging. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel seen and heard. So, the next time you talk to someone, hold their gaze a little longer and see the magic happen. We desire what's not easily available. If you're always chasing, people lose interest. Focus on your life, passions, and goals. When you value yourself, others will too. Instead of basic compliments like, "You look nice," say something specific. "I love how passionate you are about your work." This makes people feel truly valued. Attraction isn't about tricks. It's about confidence and connection. Use these psychological hacks and see the difference. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.